I haven't been able to make many videos recently, here's why. So yeah, my home is in the suburbs, and as an FPV pilot and non-car commuter, I think it's really hell, so let me show you geographically why first. Okay, so this is a map of your average suburbs, and as you can see, there's suburban sprawl, but aside from that, there's also zoning, and this kind of causes everything to kind of be split up. The residential areas really divided from the parks and the conveniences as well. So at least for me, it takes about an hour for me to just walk outside of the suburbs, and that's really annoying to me, so let me show you guys what's it like for me. So let's hit the streets. Aside from dealing with suburban sprawl, I also got to deal with things like these hills too, because biking up hills makes bikes really, really annoying. Makes it an utter crapshoot. So yeah, I guess that's that. Also, look at these streets. I mean, seriously, because of our city had this extended obsession with Arbor Day, our streets are completely screwed up right now. It's hard to bike. Well, I got here to the closest FPV spot, and what I'm really trying to say here is that living in the suburbs kind of requires a car, and I got my driver's license so far, and I guess the next step is to get my own car.
Empty bottles on the pavement, try to find a way. I'll take you there. I'll take you there.
29, 29, 29, 29, 99, 3, 3, so 2900.